at this beauty, you guys. When you think of changing trees, you usually think of Central Park. But I'm just driving like on 102nd Street, Upper East Side, and this is so beautiful, guys. I had to share it. And the way these trees are like leaning toward the center of the street, it's kind of like a canopy, like a tree tunnel, so to speak. How beautiful! I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Look how beautiful these trees are, guys. Happy fall.